There is only one app that can make your video go viral. There's only one app that can optimize your post so that the algorithm will push out your videos to the right audience. I know that you are curious. Are you stuck under 1,000 views? That is because the algorithm doesn't know you. Because of that, you will just be having low views. Your views will not be counting. It won't be counting. Okay, so I will advise you to optimize your posts before posting them on YouTube, be it YouTube Shorts or YouTube long form videos. Now let me tell you what optimization is. Optimization is about you using the right hashtags, the right titles, the right keywords, the right tags. I know it is not easy to put your camera and then film your video, and after filming your videos you edit it, after editing, and then you post it on YouTube, and then what then do you get? 0 views. I know it can hurt. Okay, it can hurt. So there is only one app that can help you optimize and grow on YouTube and also get monetized easily. So guys, let's dive into this tutorial. Ask ChatGPT to give me a very organized, fully optimized description. Okay, first of all, see what I will tell ChatGPT. Okay, so I will tell ChatGPT, I have a YouTube channel on YouTube growth tutorial, okay, where I help small and new channels grow on YouTube. Okay, I want you to write me a fully optimized description for my video topic. Now guys, before I forget, any video that you want to make, maybe you made a video or you want to make a video about how to schedule a post, sorry guys, if you make a maybe you want to make a video about how to schedule a post or how to get 1,000 subscribers, you can come here and tell ChatGPT. Okay, you can come here and tell ChatGPT, I want to make a video titled Okay, let me say I want to make a video titled what should I tell ChatGPT right now? Okay, I want to make a video titled how to get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, I want then you tell the ChatGPT. That's when you will now say, I want you to write me a fully optimized description for my video topic. Then you send it. So as you can see, the ChatGPT is telling you, he said how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast, step by step guide. Okay, now look at it. Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? In this video, I will show you how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. Okay guys, after that, what you will learn in this video, the best way to, so it's telling you everything. Okay, now look at the timestamp that you can use for your video. You see that ChatGPT is making everything that you're supposed to use on this post, both your description, your timestamp, your like your topics, the way you can even present your tutorial, how you can start it. Okay, now look at the hashtags that it gave you. Now look at what I will tell ChatGPT again. Give me an optimized keywords, tags and hashtags for the video topic, and then you send it. You see, it has given you for ranking on YouTube and Google how to get 1,000 subscribers. So this is your keywords. Okay, this is your tags for YouTube, and this is the hashtags it gave you. So guys, this is the only way you can get your optimized descriptions, tags, hashtags, keywords for your YouTube videos, that particular YouTube video that you're about to create or make or post. This is how you can get it. It is very easy. Okay, so I will advise you to come to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want, and it will give you what you want exactly. Go to your YouTube as you're posting your video, go there, put your titles and everything. Now you can also tell ChatGPT, you can also tell ChatGPT to give you, okay, give me a very ranking optimized YouTube title for this video topic. You will send it and it will still give you all the titles. Okay, give me 3. How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast in 2025, step by step guide. Get your first YouTube, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So this is it, guys. So if you, this is how you can get your optimized details for your YouTube videos. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Please subscribe, please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.